Axie. We are into part 4 on MS Excel. This session we will learn about what is a filter and what is the use of a filter. Filter is nothing but it helps us to view specific rows in an Excel file or data by hiding the other rows which is irrelevant to us. So we will be able to filter the relevant data or whatever data we give. Okay, so we will just move on to the session. First open one Excel sheet and you have some data with you: name of the student, total marks score, colors. Okay, this data is just rough work. I have done it. You can also have some other data which you are having it for checking it. So I will just see where you will get this filter means if you go to data, here you can see the data, right? Home, insert, page layout, formula, data. There's a like pin like icon is there, filter. Just click that, you will get the filter icon here. Now we are ready to get the filtered all the data. Okay, see, just click and see here. You can see here all the numbers which is gets filtered. Either you can go on tick mark whichever you want. See, suppose I want a person name who has scored 935. I'm just clicking here and just giving OK. Basha is the person who got 935 marks. Similarly, I want the other name like 500. I'm just clicking on 500 and giving OK. So Stella has got the 500 marks. So here you can go, or else there's another option, number filters. See here, if you click it, I can see some other options like equals, does not equal, greater than or equal, less than or equal to, between, top 10, above average, below average, or custom filter. You can use all these options to get the data filter. Okay, so just if you wanted to filter with equal, I wanted to see the data who has scored only 500. Just click 500 and just give OK. Did you see that? I got a Stella has got a 500 marks. Or else, if you want to get data of does not equal to, I don't want only 500. Apart from 500, I want all other data. Give OK. See, now if you find Stella, it will not be there. Did you see that? Nothing. So it gets filtered except that 500. Now I am just clicking a greater than. I want the data or I want the marks who has scored more than 900. Is greater than 900. So 900 will not come, from 900 onwards it will come. See, I am clicking on OK. I got 5 candidates who has got 935, 950, 920, 901, 1000. Okay. So similarly, you can also go and check greater than, equal, less than or equal to. I want a candidate's name who has scored below 300, less than 300. Give OK. See, 2 people have got below 300, Raghu and Mary. Okay. Next, what is less than or equal to? And another option there. Suppose, see, I'm just clicking here, greater than 500 and less than. I can give you one more instruction, less than 600. Means what? You want the data, you want the marks of the name of the students who was scored between 500 and 600, right now. You see, okay, 3 of them have scored marks between 500 to 600. Next one, between similar, top 10, you can give top 10 marks who has scored 800. Yeah, if you wanted to remove the filter, you can use clear. Okay, and just top 10 items, you can give OK. See, I got 10 names of the candidates who have scored first 10. Above average, it will take automatically to read out the maximum marks and get the average from among the average who has scored above the average marks. See, 13 candidates has got above average marks and below average. 16 candidates has got below the average marks. This is the purpose of filter. You can also see by custom filter. All these options which you have seen earlier, right? All these options will be there. You can give whatever the instruction you want, and all this gets reflected. And here one more option is there. I will tell you for the names. If you want a name, you are not sure about the candidate's name, but you are sure some one or two letters. You can also filter by that. Like give contains. I want the name which is containing RA. You can also say which is greater than, which is less than. Any other options you can give which does not begin with CA. So this option. This name, all these names, right? All these names, among these names, I want the name of the student where the letters RA contains, but it does not begin with CA. Okay, just click OK. See, I have seen whether any name beginning with CA. No, all these names contain RA, Prabha, RA. So this is the purpose of this filter. This is actually a very interesting topic. You can just sit and think what kind of data you want. Okay, and here you can see colors, right? I wanted to filter by colors. So here another option is there, filter by color. I want the candidate name who is having a yellow color. See, these candidates are getting reflected here. Raj, Basha, everything. So these are the names who was got yellow color. Similarly, you can go and click red. These are the candidates of name who was scored red. Similarly, green. Similarly, blue, and last green. Okay. So this is the purpose of the filtering by color. Hope you people have learned what is a filter. Filter is actually a very interesting topic. You can have a vast of, you can have a lots of data. You can get it filtered out. Just try at home. Definitely you people enjoy learning. Hope you have learned today's topic. Thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it and do keep in touch.